Jade, an 8-year-old girl with shoulder-length brown hair, wearing pink pajamas, lays sprawled on her bed. Her room is filled with toys and books, but she sighs loudly. "I'm so bored," she says, staring at the ceiling. Jade's mom walks in, smiling. "Why don't you try something fun and healthy today, Jade? There are so many ways to beat boredom," she says. Jade looks curious but skeptical. Jade decides to start with jumping rope. She changes into her yellow t-shirt and purple shorts and heads to the backyard. "This is actually fun," she laughs as she jumps higher and faster. Next, Jade spreads a mat in the living room and tries yoga poses her mom showed her. She balances on one leg in a tree pose, giggling when she wobbles. After yoga, Jade helps her mom in the kitchen. Together, they make a fruit salad. "This looks yummy," Jade says, proudly placing the colorful bowl on the table. Feeling inspired, Jade grabs her paints and starts creating a picture of the backyard. "Look, Mom, it's our garden," she beams, holding up her masterpiece. In the evening, Jade goes for a bike ride in the park. The fresh air and the chirping of birds make her feel alive. "Boredom? What's that?" she laughs, pedaling faster. At bedtime, Jade feels happy and tired. "Today was amazing. Thanks, Mom, for the ideas," she says as she curls up under her blanket. She falls asleep, dreaming of more adventures tomorrow. Thanks for watching Kid's Story by Armaghan.